Hello, Brian at the service department. I'm checking out the website. Currently we got a couple different coupons that are probably going to be really good to think about this spring with spring cleaning, spring maintenance. So I want to talk about tire rotations. Probably been spinning the tires in the snow most of the winter. Come on in, we have a coupon online, $24.95 for a tire rotation. We'll take a look at the brakes while the wheels are off. We've got another oil change coupon, $69.99 for full synthetic oil change. Diesels cost extra, but any other vehicle, I think that's a pretty reasonable price, less than what you can find at some of your drive-in oil change centers. Also got some coupons on here for diagnostics. So if you need a free code scan, why is my check engine light on? We've got a scanner I can plug in, tell you a little bit about what that code might be, and we can decide how best to proceed with repairs. So go to our website, take a look at some of the coupons that are on here. I think the best ones for you right now with this season are getting the tires rotated, getting the oil changed, doing a free code scan. I see air filters on here. Might be time for an air filter or a cabin filter if you're really sensitive to pollen. We're gonna have a lot of hay fever coming up in the spring. So a couple different things. Go online at Russ Darrow. You can make your appointments online here too. So check out our coupons, make your appointments online, or you can always give us a call. Ask for our service team. We're here to help. See you in the service drive. Thank you.